Hi friends, let me show you my new ice maker molds. These are great because you can make large square ices. This is like a flexible silicone, and when the ice is done, you will be able to get them out really easy. This is to help you pour water in these ones, because these ones are special. They will create, you can imagine, round water ices. So your drinks, you see, this will make spheres or circles of ice. This is really great. Circle ices look really nice in drinks, and you can do them really easy with this mold. Okay, so we're gonna try it and we're gonna show you the ices we get. Thank you. Now I'm going to show you how our ices are ready to use. Here we have them. First, the square ones. As you can see, the silicone plastic makes it really easy to get them out. You won't have any problem, and you can see how big and nice ices you get. These are perfect for a large water jar, well, like a lemonade jar, whatever you want. And the round ones, these are aimed for personal drinks. Okay, here they are. Look at that. A perfect circular ice for any kind of drink. So, well, it's easy to use them. The ices are really fun to use, and they are perfect. Thank you. Very recommended.